Hello and welcome to Doing Stuff on Computer. Today I am going to show you how to make the photorealistic photorealistic drawings of the car. First, go to Google Chrome and type in what car you want to do. I want to do Ferrari. So I will type Ferrari and then you go to image and then you find the nice Ferrari that you like. In Photoshop, go to right and this button here, press to make another new layer here. We click on this one to make white, then we go to bucket. Bucket, we press on this one, and then now we press this one and we slide the slider to the left a little, just so we can see the Ferrari on the behind. Then we go to this one and we press. Then we go to path. This one is path. We press and we copy the Ferrari. Make sure you do very carefully. Then go to path layer and can change this name. Double click here. Change name to silhouette. And OK. Then press these ones and change color to the red. But click this one and click this one to get the same color as the car, but more red. Okay. Then press these ones. Then click here, these ones, double click and type silhouette. This one is the silhouette of the car. Then we click this one and we slow down the opacity. Then we go back to path, then click here, then go back to layer, and this time we are going to do the very important the details of the car. Let us start with the wheels. So just like before, okay, when we have got the details, different details, then we are going to do the shut lines. Next we are then going to put in the details. So we go to path, select the details and click these ones to select. Then we go to layer, then we select, double click and call details. We go to brush, which is these ones. The brush, we do a little doodle to see how big the brush is. Then we go undo or butterfly Z. Then we are going to, of course, make for further reference. We want to look at the original image, so we drag here to make copy and we rename to reference and we move to the top. And as you can see, this ones and this ones is orange and ours is black. Next we move to these ones and we look at the reference picture by pressing these ones. And as you can see, the color is almost similar, but there is little the detail. photo, Photoshop, photo, Photoshop, photo, Photoshop. As you can see, there is very dissimilar to the photo real things. Photo, Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video and more videos like this and different ones too. Okay, thank you.